Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by stabilizing fluids and assessing danger signs. Check for blood, high fever, or signs of dehydration. If present, seek urgent care. Once you confirm no red flags, start oral rehydration solution. Sip 1/2 to 1 cup every 15-30 minutes. Make sure to pause fatty foods, dairy, and caffeine. They worsen motility. Continue clear broths, electrolyte drinks, and bland brat items. Banana, rice, applesauce, toast, so you address both hydration and gentle calories while you move to next steps. You now focus on restoring balance and slowing transit appropriately. Once rehydrated, introduce a probiotic and soluble fiber like psyllium or cooked oats to normalize stool consistency. Add them slowly to avoid bloating. If there is no fever or blood, an antidiarrheal such as loperamide can reduce frequency. However, do not use it if infection is suspected. Make sure to monitor urine frequency, pulse, and any dizziness every 4-6 hours to ensure hydration is improving as you progress. You finish by reintroducing regular foods slowly over 2 to 3 days. Keep meals small, low-fat, and easy to digest. Add proteins and vegetables as tolerance returns. Make sure to continue fluids and probiotics until stool normalizes. If diarrhea persists beyond 48 to 72 hours, or if you develop worsening fever, blood in stool, or decreased urine output, seek medical evaluation immediately. Troubleshooting tip: if symptoms worsen after taking antidiarrheals or antibiotics, stop them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.